Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Let us solve some mathematics problem. Number 4. What are the missing terms in the sequence 5, 20, 80, blank, 1280, blank, 20,480? The choices are letter A, 50, 210, letter B, 40, 160, letter C, 35, 135, letter D, 320, 5,120. Okay, so we have here a sequence that is 5, 20, 80, and so on. Okay, so we will be looking for a pattern. We will be looking for a pattern to solve the missing terms. So if you notice, 5 becomes 20 and 20 becomes 80, right? So if we divide 20 by 5, we get 4, right? And also, if we divide 80 by 20, it also equals to 4, right? So, on the other hand, we could multiply 5 by 4 to get 20 or to get the second term. And also, we could multiply the second term, that is 20, by 4 to get the third term, that is 80, right? So, this means that the pattern is a multiplication of 4 to get the next term, right? So this means the common ratio of the common ratio or the pattern that we have, or the pattern that we get from this sequence, is 4, right? Multiplication of 4. So we can see that this sequence is a geometric sequence with a common ratio of 4. So we know that the common ratio is 4, so just multiply 80 by 4 and also multiply the 1280 by 4. So if we multiply 80 by 4, that is equal to 320. And also, if we multiply 1280 by 4, then we will be having a 5120, right? Therefore, the missing terms are 320 and 5120. So that is the fastest way of getting the missing terms in a sequence. So if we apply the the formula of a geometric sequence, it is somehow longer. But let me use it for the others if they are wanted to use how to apply the formula of a geometric sequence. So the formula of a geometric sequence is like this one: a sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by the common ratio, that is r, raised to n minus 1. Okay, so the given are the a sub 1, that is 5, a sub 2, that is 20, a sub 3, that is 80, a sub 4 is we don't know, a sub 5 is 1280, and a sub 6, that is we don't know yet. And also a sub 7 is 20,480. So just substitute the given value. So we will be looking for a sub 4 because that is one of the missing term. So a sub 4 is equal to 5 because that is the first term, multiplied by 4, the common ratio, raised to 3, that because that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So just simplify it. So we have 5 times 64. So if we multiply 5 times 64, that is equal to 320. So we also wanted to get the a sub 6 because that is also one of the missing. Then let's apply again the formula. Just substitute the given value. A sub 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5 because 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So just simplify the given, or just simplify 4 raised to 5, that is equal to 1024. Okay, 1024. So multiplying 1024 by 5 that is equal to 5120. So they are just the same result when you are using the formula of a geometric sequence and also the shortcut that I just did earlier. So therefore, the missing terms are 320 and 5120. So our answer is letter D, that is 320 and 5120. And that's all. Thank you for listening.